Hey guys, welcome back. There's Matilda sitting pretty at the Asheboro car show. After I built the roof, I took her out for a drive and the roof tested fantastically. There were no rattles and no jiggles apart from the usual. In this video, I am going to fill these little gaps in the corners in the front, on the sides, in the rear, on both sides, any open gaps at all. So the first thing I did was take measurements of the gaps in the roof. Then I drew a diagram. Here's the driver's side, passenger side, the gaps under both sides of the roof, some of the rear pieces. Once all of that was done, I started designing it on my computer, as I usually do. Then I uploaded it to my laser cutting service, chose galvanized for some, aluminum for some, paid for it, and sent it on its way. So there you have it. Here's a little walk around to show you how I've covered up all the major gaps in the Humvee. There are a couple of really small openings along the front and a few small gaps around the doors, but I can only do those with weather stripping once I've finished painting the entire truck. I don't want to put weather stripping and then, spray paint color all over the weather strip. It'll look weird. I want it to look nice and black and new. Alright guys, thank you for subscribing and liking and basically watching my videos. It really encourages me. You guys have a great day. Till next time. Bye.